So we're starting with a frozen package of chicken thighs. Chicken stock. Half an onion, some garlic powder, some onion powder, so I took the chicken from the steam. It's still raw, like it's not fully cooked. I just did enough to break it apart. So now I'm gonna strain the broth. And then what I'm gonna do is put this back onto the Instant Pot. So I'm taking the skins and I'm actually rendering them down. That way I can get all these little bits later. So I'm just gonna keep moving this around and keep letting it flatten out the stick and just do its thing so I can get all these and that oil out later. So as you can see, the skin is rendered down somewhat, but more importantly, it's giving me all this brown stuff. This one is all mine. So what I'm gonna do is deglaze it. I'm gonna let this kind of reduce. So I'm gonna put this onto saute and start that. All right, some oil into. So what I've done is once the onions were translucent, I added the chicken, and I'm just gonna cook that until it's kind of like part cooked. And then we'll go ahead and add the liquid. So right about now, I'm gonna go ahead and take the broth that we strained, that we cooked the chicken in earlier. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that in there. The other thing we're gonna add at this time are beans, and those are just straight garbanzo beans. I'm also gonna add a gravy mix, some chives.
Becoming like your signature ingredient.
There are certain things that I actually like. Fresh chive is great, but these little ones that you can cook and they just disintegrate and just add the kind of garlicky onion flavor. So I'm gonna mix it up, make sure everything is good.
That's good. Make
The
sure
vent
it's
is off, and then we're gonna hit start with I've taken it off of the long cook, or slow cook, and I put it back on the saute. And what I'm going to do is just add the vegetables. And then I'm just going to let this cook just like it does on directions. This will thicken up, and then you'll have a nice little chicken.
What do you think? Is it yummy, yummy?
Honestly, that was super quick too. It didn't take very much effort.
No. It was. Oh, no to the fork. We're gonna eat with our hands. That's fair.
It's pretty thick.
It's a big fork. You asked for an even bigger fork. That's what I got.
It's thick. It's a sharp. It is a sharp fork, and that one is a German.
Can you eat your chicken, please?
Okay.
What do you think? Do you want a normal fork?
No.
You sure?
Yeah. Well, this fork is not sharp enough. See these?
The forks aren't supposed to be sharp, Bubba.
Why?
Just eat your dinner.
Hey, Mommy.